Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on credit card interest with Capital One, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your current credit card interest rate. Log into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Locate your credit card details to find the interest rate charged on your balance. Identify any balance you carry on your card. If you have a high balance, consider transferring it to a lower interest rate card. Check if Capital One offers a balance transfer option. Review the terms associated with balance transfers, including fees and promotional rates. When ready, initiate the balance transfer through your Capital One account. Make consistent, on-time payments to avoid late fees and increased interest rates. Set up automatic payments to ensure your bills are paid on time. Create a budget to manage your spending and payments more effectively. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first if you have multiple cards. Consider making extra payments towards your principal balance when possible. Use Capital One's credit monitoring tools to keep track of your spending and payments. Review your credit report regularly for accuracy and identify areas for improvement. Explore credit limit increase options, as a higher limit may improve your credit utilization ratio. Stay disciplined with your spending and avoid accumulating new debt. Be proactive about contacting Capital One for potential lower interest rate offers. Finally, continue learning about managing credit to develop better financial habits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.